But let's assume that we win the Conference League and don't get top 4.
No, I won't be okay.
Okay, we get top 4 and don't win the Conference League. Some people are calling him striker. Some are saying that he's not a striker. Christopher Nkunku. Is Nkunku a striker or not?
Nkunku.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. In fact, guys, today let's talk about our manager, our coach, Enzo Maresca. Can Enzo Maresca still give Chelsea top 4 this season? Can we still end top 4 with Enzo Maresca, guys? And also, we'll talk about Nkunku's future because essentially the way Nkunku is playing, just fan, we are not understanding it. As if he want to leave or as if he don't want to play for Chelsea again. Yes. So let's start with Enzo Maresca, and before we move on, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button and smash the subscription button. By the way, today I'm not alone. I'm here with a Chelsea brother, number 1 Chelsea big fan supporter. He is called Onga. Yes, in fact, Onga, you have to sponsor this video because we will mention their name in this video. Yes. So, Onga, welcome to Football Lions.
Oh, thank you.
By the way, guys, we open a new studio, and with your help and your support, all the numbers you have been giving us so far, yes, on this channel, it encourages us, it motivates us, yes. We see our future here. We see that the support you are giving us, if we do more, we will appreciate again as you did at the beginning. So, a new studio, we will be hosting podcasts, and in this studio, we will only be talking about Chelsea until you guys tell us to add another football team or another information about sports. Yes, but for now, it will be Let's Talk Chelsea podcast. For now, Chelsea only. So please, this is the right channel for you. If you want any news, any latest news, anything concerning Chelsea, come to Football Lions. Click Football Lions. Yes, click the channel Football Lions. You are getting everything. Welcome to Football Lions.
Thank you, Richmond.
Our manager, our tactician, Enzo Maresca. In fact, he started the season very well. But December up to now, Chelsea fans, our heart is pumping like this. And the last game, give me some comment about our last game. Small comment.
How could you bench is Pukwela?
Jackson,
Palmer, and Wizard is our 4.
3 Neto, yes.
That was the first team. We don't know why Enzo Maresca is doing all kind of things.
Yes, it's true. As if he's playing against Chelsea. I don't know.
It's not. He's playing against Chelsea for right now. Before the match, after the match, you could see Enzo Maresca was playing against Chelsea.
Yes.
45 minutes was wasted.
Yes, true. For that
was wasted. Because we played nothing. How could you bend them?
They are Chelsea team. You see Palmer, you see Nicola Jackson, Neto, yes,
and others.
Yes, these 3 players would have them. There's no Chelsea. Particularly this season, I don't know why.
We started well, but we are not more happy or we are not more qualified. We are not more sure that we could end up in the top 4 or not.
Yes.
Left on Pogba is a Champions League player.
Yes.
He's a Champions League player. So Enzo Maresca should wake up.
Yes.
He should wake up. Me, I'm not afraid of Man City. I'm afraid of Newcastle.
Yeah.
Newcastle is after the match.
Yeah, and they are playing well.
And they are playing well. If they win all the matches, Chelsea will not make it to top 4.
Yes. It will affect us.
It will affect us. But people are not seeing. People are looking at Man City.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
All our eyes are on Man City, but they are not the problem. Because they are doing well. And this season is like they play Champions League. But because they could not qualify. So do you still think that still Chelsea can make top 4?
Yeah, we can make top 4 if they could do the right thing. If Enzo Maresca do the right thing, without benching their players. If you want to play James, Ben Gusto. If you want to play Gusto, Ben James. You see, you can't put all of them inside and say they should give what you expected. No, they can't.
Okay. So what about our game against Brentford? He started Kina and bench Palmer.
They are 145 minutes. We didn't see him at all. They are both playing nothing. Nothing. The standard, his standard is not up to Chelsea standard.
Yes,
Master,
Kina.
let's tell each other the truth. His standard is not up to Chelsea standard. How could you bench the whole mighty Kopame and put on this ball to play? I believe Enzo Maresca take something before the match.
Yeah, we could not understand. Yeah, the starting 11 was poor. It was
very, very poor.
It was poor.
Very, very poor.
Charlie. And if Enzo Maresca will continue as that, Charlie, our top 4 is now in danger. I'm telling you. Because how? You have the right players. And football players, not just players, good players. And we have them. Kopama, Jackson, everybody, Neto was there. You started Kina. During December, we wanted Kina and where were they? Maybe you are trying to tell us that you trust him. Okay, during that December features, why you didn't bring him in? To come and give us the goals or the wins.
Mr. Richman, you see, one thing about this our coach is that we are ending the league. It's not that we are starting and we are saying we are going to be trying some people. Oh, let me see. These are you can give me this. No. It's not that we are ending the game and we have to be in top 4.
Yes.
You should know that we have to be in top 4 because we are fed up of being out of Champions League.
Okay. Yes.
So Enzo Maresca, we beg you in the name of Allah, please, try your best. Please try your best.
So, but the idea was that after the game, I heard people saying that he benched Obama and Nkunku because of the conference league for them to rest and play the conference league. Do you think it was nice idea?
That's not nice idea. Conference, what is that for conference league to us? Top 4 is more better than conference league.
So at the end of the day, if Chelsea don't win the conference league,
so at the end of the day, if Chelsea don't win the conference league, now we can't be in the top 4 again. What are we going to play for?
So if Chelsea win the conference league, will you be happy or not?
Oh, addition with the subtraction is we will be happy.
Okay.
But the top 4 is our major problem.
Okay.
The top 4 is our major problem.
Yeah.
We should qualify in the top 4.
Yes. But that one for sure. But let's assume that we win the conference league and don't get top 4.
No, I won't be okay.
Okay, we get top 4 and don't win the conference league.
It's normal. It's normal to me. It's normal for me.
But when we look at our standard, is more than not winning the conference.
Our standard is more
than the conference.
So we must win it. We must win it. Although I said we must win it, but we must make sure we win the top 4 again.
Yeah. Yes. For the top 4, for sure. 3 seasons now. Yes, since they bought the Chelsea, the new owners came in. Yes, that's the season that they bought Chelsea. We play Champions League. The year they sacked Thomas. Yeah, we were on Champions League. Up now, we haven't played Champions League.
Yeah.
So down the top 4 is important.
The top 4
is very, very crucial. But I don't understand. Enzo Maresca is using our team, as you said, for experiment. Oh, Charlie. Okay, let's come and talk about our striker. Some people are calling him striker. Some are saying that he's not a striker. Christopher Nkunku. Is Nkunku a striker or not?
Nkunku, in some point, Nkunku is a striker. Now you see Nkunku as a striker. So when we expect from Nkunku, it's like we are not getting it. I'm in number 1 fan of Nkunku.
Okay.
But as we speak right now, Nkunku made me to lose trust in him.
Yeah.
It's not as if you don't want to play for Chelsea or something like that.
It's true.
That's not the Nkunku that we used to know back at Pochettino. See how Pochettino was losing him.
Even Leipzig, where we signed
Leipzig. Nkunku, from injury, you wake up from injury and come and so be the top scorer.
Even last season, he was good. He was scoring.
No. So I don't know what.
So don't you think that it is Maresca tactics that doesn't favor him?
It could be, but at least we expect more from Nkunku. Mr. Richman, let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
You see in football, no one will sit and say you should play more. You are the one who will fight for yourself and
fight for the position.
Look at Jashin. Jashin, almost 6 matches or how many matches did Jashin miss?
Yeah. We saw it. Yes, we saw his upset.
And he came back and played more better than Nkunku.
Oh, sorry.
So there is something under which we the fans will not understand. If Nkunku will not play for Chelsea, or if you say you won't die for the team, he should come out and only say, oh, let me go.
I want to go.
Okay. Oh, we heard. So that the team will decide whether you will go or not.
Okay.
Once I'm playing money, I'm looking at how you are playing. See, it's like
someone is forcing him.
Someone who is
or he's sick and they put him in.
No.
Or he's pregnant. Pregnant woman play football.
No. They pay you. You should. You should try. Nkunku, please try. Chelsea fans believe in you.
Nkunku. For me, I think my opinion about Nkunku is that his style of play is not for the Premier League. See, the Premier League.
Then they should let him go.
See, the Premier League. Oh, okay, some people may argue because last season he played well, but still, in the Premier League, you having the ball control, you having the finishing aren't enough. You have to know how to press. I remember Ronaldo, his second time coming to Manchester United. That was the problem with his other players. That Ronaldo wasn't pressing. He wasn't pressing. So now, especially the Premier League, you can't be standing. You have to be running.
Unless you fight.
You have to turn it to a wall. So, but when you look at Nkunku, he's just sluggish, like he's taking his say.
Even control is a problem.
It's a problem. Yes. That Brentford game, he had one chance. Instead of him to just control the ball, he could not even control the ball.
He could not.
Hey, what is happening to the almighty Christopher Nkunku? Oh my God. The season that Chelsea signed him from Bundesliga, he was a joint top scorer. I don't understand, or it is a spirit of Chelsea number 9 case, and he's not even wearing the number 9. I don't understand. So guys, let us hear from you in the comment section about Christopher Nkunku. What is wrong? Because we signed a goal scorer, a prolific striker, but no, we are not seeing anything from him. What is wrong? What is the script? And Enzo Maresca, guys, let us hear from you in the comment section. Yes. Do you have anything to say again about Nkunku?
Watching Nkunku play annoys me more.
Wow.
Annoys me more. They should let Nkunku go. Let the ball flow. Jackson. They should let the guy play.
But Jackson also, sometimes you get the chance to put the ball at the back of the net. He can't score.
He can't score, but the defenders are not free. If Jackson will not score, Kopama will score.
Okay.
If Kopama will not score, Neto will score. Fernandez will score. Kopama is there. Kopama will score. You made the defenders lose concentration on Kopama, so that Kopama will be free to score.
Yeah.
But Nkunku cannot score. Defenders are not worried. So when the essence of playing,
yes,
they should let him go.
Okay.
They should let him go. Because he's wasting our money. He's wasting because we are paying.
Yes. Every week
he's quitting. They should let him go. Please, they should let him go.
So guys, let us hear from you in the comment section your opinion, your thought about Christopher Nkunku form and Enzo Maresca tactics. His playing style can just make top 4. Can we get top 4 this season? And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When we see the numbers, it give us the motivation to give you more videos. More podcasts are coming on this channel, so please turn on the notification bell. If any video arrive on this channel, you will be the first person to see. Take care. Peace.